Okay, so I'm doing something a little different. Cleavage just kind of going crazy. I'm doing something a little different. I was actually really excited. Last night, um, I opened up a Christmas present early because I was really curious about what my mom had sent me. Because this is uh, this is what just showed up, and I was like, a Barbie. I've never liked Barbies. Actually, really, the reason why is because one, I've never actually seen a Barbie that actually looks like me before. So, oh, and by the way, I'm at my shop today. I'm not just always tinkering on the house or doing something like that. Like I have a bathing suit boutique, and I'm at the shop today, and I brought this with me. I'm waiting for my daughter to go out and do to our white elephant Christmas party. But I figured I would do an unboxing of my Christmas present because I was actually really excited when I opened this up. I was like, do I like Barbies now? So here's the thing. Get this out of here. There has never, ever been a doll as a redhead. There's never been one that looks like me. So I want to see what she actually looks like because I have me. And the craziest thing is, so yeah, does it like remember this year, like every Christmas, they try to convince us that we have to do all new themes, and then this year was vintage Ralph Lauren. So you didn't see that, but yeah. So look, I'm wearing my 25-year-old Ralph Lauren skirt, and yeah, I wear this every Christmas. So here I go. All right, let me try to open her without damaging her. Maybe I can open her from the bottom. I can pull her out like this. Okay. I've never been excited to open a Barbie before. This is the 2024 holiday Barbie. Look at her. Look how pretty she is. She's got her makeup like me. Her eyes are like me. Her hair is red with the blonde streaks in it like me. She's dressed like me. Okay, let me see. Oh no. I can get her out of here. Okay. Oh, well. She's got her, look, she has her little certificate here on the back. Oh my. I remember growing up that this was always like the thing at Christmas is that nobody could ever get their toys open. And so it's always a big thing like, Dad, help me with my toy. Okay, ooh, here she goes. Oh gosh. I'm just gonna break her out. Be free, Barbie, be free. She's like stitched in with like string that matches her red hair. I guess thread. Okay, that was a little rough. Yikes. I guess she won't be going back in this. But look at her little heels. Oh my goodness. Yeah, these are I would wear these type of shoes. Like seriously, this truly is me in Barbie form. If this doll would have ever been out when I was little, I probably would have enjoyed the Barbie Princess Palace that I had, which I never played. All I would do is I would have my Barbies slap the other Barbies. Because I grew up watching Days of Our Lives. That was the only thing on television when I would get home. So anyway, yeah, when I'd get home from school, cartoons were over. So that was the only thing that was left. Okay, so, all right. Let me put her shoe back on. See, I don't know how to put her shoes on. Okay. Okay. So look at her. Isn't she pretty? She's got freckles like me. Same color eyes as me. Look at this. This is so cool. Good job, Mom. I don't like the earrings. I don't know what they were thinking here. I can just take, haha, problem solved. They just come out. So, look. I'll take my glasses off. I don't have my hair up, but look, first time ever in my life. It's a doll that looks like me. This is so cool. Yeah, so this is my unboxing of my Barbie. Oh, she comes with a little, let me see. She has a little stand. So I will set her up on her little stand. And this is like this. Okay, so I got her little stand. How does this work? Oh, this goes, it's almost like a speculum. Goes up her legs, I think. Okay, I got her on her stand. And look, I'm twinsies with the Barbie. I would have never known. Pretty she is. Look at this. Her nails. Can't get it. Her nails are gold. I think I need to go get my nails painted gold. This is just, love it. Anyway, this made me so happy. I love this. Thank you, Mattel, for making one that looks like me. And in the Ralph Lauren outfit, no less. So anyway, follow me for more mayhem. Like and subscribe or follow or whatever. I do more beyond just home improvements and art and photography. I've got a beach boutique. I've got everything. But yeah, I've got a lot of stuff happening. So it's going to be an interesting ride.